Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Superior OS, a custom ROM based on Android 15, specifically tailored for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. This ROM promises a fresh, clean, and feature-rich Android experience, but does it deliver? Let's find out. Built upon the solid foundation of Android open source project, Superior OS offers a stock Android experience, free from the bloat and customizations often found in manufacturer ROMs. This means a clean, intuitive interface with a focus on performance and efficiency. While the lack of heavy customization might disappoint some, it ensures a smooth and lag-free experience. No ROM is perfect, and Superior OS is no exception. During my testing, I encountered a few minor bugs, such as occasional app crashes and UI glitches. These issues, while not major, can be frustrating. However, the development team is actively working on fixing these bugs and improving the overall user experience. The camera app is the Stock MIUI app, which is a reliable and feature-rich option. It offers good image quality, especially in well-lit conditions. Right off the bat, the ROM presents a familiar Android 15 interface. The notification panel and quick settings are straightforward, and the overall design is clean and minimal. However, don't expect any radical UI changes or custom themes. The fingerprint sensor is functional and provides quick and reliable unlocking. Face Unlock is also working, though its accuracy might vary in different lighting conditions. The Now Playing feature, which automatically identifies music playing around you, is not functional in this ROM. The ROM fails safety net checks, which might prevent some apps from working correctly. Battery life is a crucial factor for any smartphone, and Superior OS doesn't disappoint. The adaptive battery feature does a good job of optimizing battery usage, ensuring your device lasts throughout the day. However, I didn't notice any drain in standby mode, which was reported in the last Android 14 build. The Redmi Note 7 Pro, though not a powerhouse, handles Superior OS reasonably well. In daily tasks, the ROM is snappy and responsive. However, under heavy load, such as gaming or multitasking, you might notice some occasional stutters and frame drops. To quantify the performance, I ran the popular Geekbench 5 benchmark. The results were decent, considering the device's age. We got a single-core score of 660 and a multi-core score of 1622. While these scores are not groundbreaking, they indicate solid performance for a mid-range device. Superior OS based on Android 15 is a promising custom ROM for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. It offers a clean, stock Android experience, decent performance, and solid battery life. However, the lack of heavy customization and the presence of some minor bugs might be a deal breaker for some. If you're a tech enthusiast who appreciates a pure Android experience and is willing to deal with the occasional bug, Superior OS is worth considering. But for casual users who prefer a more polished and feature-rich experience, you might want to explore other options. If you're interested in trying out Superior OS, I've linked the download link in the description below. Be sure to check it out and let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.